Apart from Caravan, kasi ako to just share with you, one of the fun things that I love about radio, kasi nga I love sharing my thoughts to people.
Yes.
And sometimes kasi it's a better avenue to share your thoughts that you don't actually talk to someone. No? So that's one of the things that I love doing, no? Because I get to share my thoughts without really having to consider a facial reaction that can probably change my mood or change my stand or opinion about a certain thing. Ikaw, ano yung mga parang hindi maiisip ng pangkaraniwan na listener na oo, nakaka-enjoy nga yun pag ikaw ay nasa radyo?
Siguro, dun muna sa feel ko maiisip nila is yung friends that you make along the way. Kasi,
mamaya nga, gusto ko sana i-discuss yan. Yes.
May mga jocks po. We actually do Behind the Roar. That is the annual reality show na parang to welcome new roster of jocks with different challenges. And then at first, hindi pa kami magkakilala. Parang sabi ko parang, magiging competition ko to. Competition ko to. So alam ko kung sino yung maboto ko, ganun. So, pero eventually, when we learned about each other during airings, na kapag nag-air kami, tawanan, nagbabanter, yun talaga parang, wow, dito pala, you widen also your social networks. Kumbaga, not only social networks na pero as friends, diba? Na parang, you have someone to lean on kapag ganitong topic, nakaka-relate din sila, and all. And siguro hindi yung may isip nila na fun part, navigating.
The tech side of things.
Of these. Kasi, na-intimidate po ako dito dati. Sabi ko,
ako hanggang ngayon. Kaya nga, laki ng utang na loob ko sa ating mga tech peeps. Because they're the ones making it more lively, entertaining, and engaging. Yes, what you were saying.
Yes, for us jocks po kasi, as we are looking at the prog flow, the guest, and our co-jock, we do this also, the board. So, actually, it's fun na kapag natutunan mo na siya, may tuturo mo din sa iba.
Right.
So, yun naman, di ba, parang kapag natutunan mo na, parang it's
it becomes second nature din.
Na ituro mo din sa ibang tao. So, that's the fun part, guys. Parang, pag nakikita mo sa radyo, ang daming mga buttons, scrolls, and everything. Pero when you learn it, parang, I can do it.
Yes.
Press lang.
Nice. So, again, hindi lang po pang radyo ang ating discussion. Kasi if we take the sharing of Milford, to be applicable to all types of job, to all parang ages, pwede nating i-apply. Kasi at first, nai-intimidate si Milford, dun sa mga unknown. Lahat naman po tayo, aminin natin. Pag ang isang bagay, bago sa ating pangdinig, sa ating paningin, parang ayaw nating gawin. Na-chicken out tayo, dinadaga tayo sa dibdib. But once that you expose yourself to things that you don't know and you try to learn it, one way or another, you're gonna get to master it. At katulad ni Milford, baka kayo na ang nagtuturo nun ngayon.
Exactly.
So kung kayo ay nai-intimidate sa inyong trabaho, ayokong pag-aralan yung bagong application or software na ginagamit namin sa opisina. Masyadong high-tech. Hindi ako makakasunod dyan. Don't resist it. Try to learn it because when you try, that's the time that you will learn, and without you knowing, you're a master of it already.
Yes, ganda nun, Coach.
So, yun radyo ang ating usapan, pero na-apply natin sa inyo, practicalers at kaabante. Pero, tama ka dun. Ang isang nakaka-enjoy sa radyo, you get to meet people, you get to expand your social network, and you get to learn. Yan din yung isang fun part kung bakit gusto ko tong pagraradyo. Kasi katulad sa'yo, you are a guest in this episode, but I get to know you better. I get to know your university better. I get to know Tiger Radio better. So parang lumalawak yung knowledge ko about different aspects of life. And you get to mingle with a lot of people with different personalities. And when you get to mingle with people with different kinds of personalities, without you knowing, that also improves you.
Yes.
Because it makes you adapt to different personalities, but also different situations. So, yun ang nakakatawa din sa radyo.
Totoo po.